Oh my days, this hot and spicy Szechuan chicken stir fry is an absolute banger of a fakeaway. It is so tasty and is one of the best fakeaways I've made in ages. And if you disagree, you can leave a note in the comments and I will accept all feedback. Anyway, first thing we're going to do is chop up our veggies. Pepper, red onion and some chilies. Yes, we're using 2 chilies. It's going to give it lots of colour and heat. Then we're going to get that chicken cooked in a hot wok with some oil. We're using chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you want, but for this I think chicken thighs work a lot better, much juicier and just gives the dish more flavour. So fry them on a high heat until they're cooked all the way through and then remove from the pan and set aside. Then you're going to put that wok back on the heat. You may need to add a little scoosh more oil, but if you're using chicken thigh, there should be some residual fat left in the pan. And then you're going to add in your peppers and your onion, but not your chili. And you're going to fry that for, again, just a couple of minutes to soften them. And now for the main ingredient, not the main ingredient, but the star of the show is the Szechuan peppercorns. These little buggers have a unique mouth-numbing heat. Very different to black peppercorns, so I suggest you try and find them in your supermarket. If you can't, you can get them on eBay or Amazon. At a push, you could use black peppercorns. And then add in everything else that's appeared on screen. You can skip back and get the recipe if you've missed it. And then the few last bits and pieces. It's not really a sauce, it's more of a coating because we're only using a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce for liquid. But you go mix that through for a further couple of minutes.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Plate this up, serve with rice, noodles, vegetables, totally up to you. And as always, if you'd like the full recipe, you can get it in my app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!